Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to do some ocean dreaming. Putting down a pillow paint. This is my typical for PPG Multi-Pro. Fast forward a little bit. First thing down is going to be carbon black. This is golden. Putting down quite a bit of paint here. Trying to avoid putting too much paint down. We'll judge later whether or not I did it or not. Next is Southern Ocean Blue. This is Matisse. It looks really dark here, but it is a very beautiful blue-green. This is Quinacridone Nickel Gold, otherwise known as Quinag. This is Ball Gown by TLP. It's an interference gold. I'm going to pick up my swiping tool next. I'm going to coat the back of it first with my two cell activators, which is the lamp black and the iridescent gold deep. And they're both mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol. This is Willy Wagtail black. It's a boom gel, and it helps with the cell formations. I put all the rest of the colors on top of that, and we're doing a dirty swipe. It's such a nice set of cells there. There's a crane chain to let them go onto the mat. So I pulled it out. I'm going to do some scoop and drags here, trying to get used to being very aggressive with this. This time I was quite a bit more aggressive than I usually am, and I'm happy about that. Now I just need to get better about where I'm going to pull things. Now you see me wiping the tool off on the edge of the canvas there. I do that mainly because that all spins off, so it's easier than using a rag for it. If you happen to miss anything, everything will be down in the description below, including links to where I get things and things that I use that you might find interesting. And this scooping and dragging goes on for quite some time, so I'm going to just let you listen for a while and watch. Cut out all of the scoop and drag. Now I'm going to do some stretching, try to get it over to the sides of the canvas, get a little bit more coverage. And about this time I noticed that, boy, I have a lot more paint on here than I planned to do, and I'm going to have to do a little bit of spinning to get it off of the canvas. But first, let's see what I can do with the composition. Move things around, find the flow. If you'd like to see more content like what you see here, make sure you're subscribed. I try to post frequently and try to put up as much information as I can. If you have any questions or comments, just want to say hi, I invite you to leave those down in the comment section below. I try to answer all of them. Spinning took quite a bit of time with this piece. I had a little bit more paint on it than I would have liked to have. But you know, these things are what they are. And just have to realize that there might be, or is too much paint. It's problematic if you don't get it off. But at this, I think it's about time for the flyover. I'm really liking the shadow cells I have here and the interplay of the yellow. I did lose quite a bit of it. You can see the interference gold pretty clearly live, but you have to have the right angle and the right light. And I'm actually very pleased with this piece. Different angle here. If you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos that I'll put out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping you're finding them both enjoyable and informative. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here. Bye now.